let's learn our ABCs. Come on, friends, sing with me. 1, 2, 3, go!
A is for apple, A. B is for ball,
B, B, B.
C is for cat,
K, K, K.
E is for dog,
D, D, D.
E is for elephant,
E, E, E.
F is for fish,
F, F, F.
G is for gorilla, G, G, G.
Happy clapping beat.
H is for hat, H, H, H. I is for igloo, I. J is for jet, J, J, J. K is for kangaroo, K, K, K. L is for lion, L, L, L. M is for monkey, M, M, M. N is for no, N, N, N. So many letters for us to know. A, B, C, D, here we go. Learning sounds is fun to do. For me and you, A and U. O is for octopus, O. P is for pig, P. Q is for question, Q, Q, Q. R is for ring, A. S is for sun, S, S, S. T is for train, T, T, T. U is for umbrella, U. V is for van, V, V, V. Love is for watch, V, V, V. X is for box, kiss, kiss, kiss. I is for yellow, E, E, E. Z is for zoo, Z, Z, Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yeah!
So many letters.